Everyone carries an almost professional camera right in their pocket these days. But to cover that almost professional gap, there are some accessories that help you go pro. That's where mobile stabilizers, or gimbals as they're commonly known, step in. Zhiyun's SmoothQ is the company's sixth attempt at making a smartphone stabilizer, and I've been using mine for over 3 months now. Let's find out how they nailed it this time. So, here are 5 reasons why the Zhiyun SmoothQ 2 is the best mobile gimbal. Hey everyone, this is Neeraj from Techie Tech Tech, and let's jump in. After testing a decent number of mobile gimbals, I've finally found the perfect gimbal for every kind of user. It doesn't matter whether you're a vlogger looking to step up their vlogging game or a professional filmmaker looking to get that stabilized footage from a smartphone. The SmoothQ 2 serves everyone right. We'll start off with the build quality and design of the gimbal. When it comes to stabilizers, the build quality of the mobile gimbal matters the most. It makes perfect sense to expect great build quality. After all, you're trusting your smartphone with that accessory. The SmoothQ 2 has an all-metal body with a premium grip. The buttons and overall in-hand feel of the device is incredibly good. It only has 3 buttons and a joystick with ambidextrous layout, so that means I can use it with both the hands without any issues. Moreover, the design of the Q2 is also different from other smartphone gimbals as it comes with a flat base. So, you won't need a tripod if you're using it on a flat surface, although I highly recommend using one. There's also the commonly found quarter-inch thread mount on the base. The absence of a mini tripod in the box is duly noted. The second reason is the intuitive user experience. Mobile filmmaking is all about shooting on the go without any assistance. Hence, a stabilizer should provide an easy to use and intuitive user experience while shooting. The SmoothQ 2 scored an A+ in this aspect, primarily because of the easy to pair and setup process, compatibility with the native and third-party camera apps, and easy to switch to portrait mode are another set of features that add to the amazing user experience. The ZY Play app offers features for both casual users like vloggers as well as professional filmmakers. I personally love the motion lapse feature. It's got a list of presets as well as custom designed pathways for the motion lapse that you can use to capture incredible day and night time lapses. Besides a seamless pairing and app experience, the SmoothQ 2 is also future-proof because of the ultra-wide angle lens support. The major challenge with using ultra-wide lenses with gimbals is one of the axes ruins the frame. The Q2 fixed this by a software upgrade which makes the final footage distraction-free. A lot of mobile gimbals on the market don't have this feature even in 2020. Battery life is the third reason why it's such a good mobile gimbal. The Q2 comes with a removable 4500 mAh battery which gives you a juice time of over 17 hours. This number is subjective to how accurately balanced your phone is, but if you balance it accurately, you'll get a better battery life along with the more stable and faster response from the gimbal motors. But the fact that your gimbal can charge your phone while using it is very useful when shooting for long hours, like when you're shooting a time lapse or a motion lapse. Moreover, the 3-hour charging time is like the icing on the cake and makes it the perfect travel companion. It's also one of the best camera accessories for an iPhone. Moving on to the price. When it comes to mobile stabilizers, the price tag is usually a deal breaker for most people. With a price tag of $100 US, the SmoothQ 2 is one of the most affordable mobile gimbals out there. That's even cheaper than a high quality smartphone lens. The next reason might sound like 3 different features, but they're just part of one big feature of advanced and strong motors. In other gimbals, a user must accurately balance the smartphone on all the three axes in order to get the smoothest shots. If the phone was off even by half a centimeter, the motors used to go haywire and ended up spinning the phone. That made using third-party accessories like an external lens or mic even worse. Because of these upgraded motors, a user does not need to balance the phone accurately. He'll still get smooth footage. Moreover, one can easily use a third-party accessory like stereo or moment lenses to get different focal lengths. One honorable mention is the all-new innovative mounting clip. It's built like a tank and can easily take phones as big as 6.5 inches without any issues. Moreover, mounting that clip takes less than 5 seconds. To sum this up, the Zhiyun Smooth Q2 fits the bill if you're looking for the perfect mobile gimbal without burning a hole in your pocket. If you have any questions regarding the mobile gimbal, feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.